We welcome, of course, the Commission's technological sovereignty package, and obviously we must reduce our dangerous dependence on foreign digital infrastructure, cloud services and platforms. At the same time, we have the chance to learn from the mistakes of our partners and competitors, because the US is not such a shiny example as some try to present it. This chaotic development of AI infrastructure in the United States creates contradictions, especially on local and state level. In EU, the expected expansion of AI infrastructure, semiconductor manufacturing and data centers will significantly increase demand for energy, water and grid capacity. At the same time, we are facing growing climate pressures and resource constraints already. How will the Commission ensure that the drive for technological sovereignty does not create new dependencies or pressures on energy systems and water resources? And what concrete safeguards and incentives are being considered to guarantee that Europe's digital infrastructure is both sovereign but also sustainable? Thank you.
Thank you very much. And this is certainly a very important priority for Commission and also for me personally, because I want that when we are now building up our own technological capacity, we are doing it in a sustainable way, that our citizens can really also trust to these developments. And we have estimated that we have to really triple our data center capacity in the coming years, because, of course, when we are now producing more and more data, it has to be stored and processed also. And that's why data centers are needed. But we want to have more European data centers and more sustainable data centers. So it's very important now that we are really supporting that kind of data centers which are using the most energy efficient technologies and which are saving natural resources as much as possible. We know also that our member states are in a very different position now, because some member states, they have big difficulties to have access to clean, affordable energy. And in some member states, it's easier also to build the data centers. But in the same time, all our member states, they need more that kind of data center capacity. And that's why in our tech sovereignty package, we were also proposing that each member state, they should identify also that kind of data center accelerator zones, that which are the ideal places to set up data centers where is access to clean energy and where they can do it in very energy efficient manner. So it should be planned a more coherent manner in a member state level, also that what is the right place for data center and where they can, for example, use the waste heat, for example, for heating the buildings and do it in a very energy efficient manner. So this is certainly a very important priority for us, and we are working together with the Energy Commissioner on this topic, and they are now working also with labeling, with the label of data centers, because of course it's crucial that we have also transparency on that how energy efficient our data centers are.